In this video, you guys, we have a problem with the Polo, the GTI from 2006. We can't get the door open. It doesn't open at all. So yeah, let's see if we can fix this. So make sure you watch the entire video and perhaps we can fix it. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we have a problem with the 2006 Polo GTI. We can't get the door open, the passenger door. It just doesn't open. You have the keys? Give me the keys! As you can see, I'm probably here. It's kind of windy, but we need to get this problem fixed. So, nothing. So there are a couple of ways to open the door, but first you should know we already have a new motor that goes in the door to open and close, but to repair it we have to open the door, and that is not an easy job, you guys. There are a couple of ways we maybe can open it: by pressing the open button and tapping on it. It usually should open one more time. And if that doesn't work, we have to go from the inside and do maneuvers so we can reach all the bolts and unlock it that way. But it's not gonna be an easy task, you guys. So I would appreciate it if you watch it until the end, so we can maybe even fix it today. So we have the motor, we have everything we need except for the door to open. So let's try the first one. We press open and open and open just continuously and tap on it and hope it will open. Well, that doesn't work. Let me try it from the inside. As you guys can see, that doesn't work either. So yeah, we have a slight problem. You can see the pin is not coming up at all. Only when I do this. Nope. Oh. Nope, that's not gonna work. Nope, that doesn't work at all, you guys. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is a little difficult and a little tricky. We have to get the panel out without opening the door, which is nearly impossible to do. So yeah, we have a problem. Well, let's just first start with the door grip. There are 2 bolts in there, and see what it goes from there. So first things first, this one should slide off. But they already opened this door once before, so everything is glued and not the way it's supposed to be. There it is. Those are torque screws. Luckily, we have a nice set. Now let's see, which one is it? Is it this one? Nope, just one bigger. Okay, then it should be this one. Yes, this is the one. Oh, well, the bolts are pretty loose. You guys, this is the new motor. It's well, pretty basic, but yeah, we have to be able to put it in, so it has to come loose all. Everything has to come loose, which is nearly impossible. So that was one. This is two. Now the problem is the rest of the bolts downside of the door, and well, you can't reach that, so we have a slight problem. Oh, there we go. That's a big bolt. Yeah, this is getting impossible to do, guys. I've seen videos where they pull it out, but apparently we can't. So this is pretty. You can't even hear it click in here, so yeah, it's highly likely that we can never open this door again. But let's try it. Nope, doesn't work like that at all. Yeah.
Eventually.
Alright guys, so we have it open. It took us more than an hour, but it is open. And how we did that, we have no clue at all. We heated the car up, we tried at least. Maybe that has something to do with it. We disconnected the metal on the outside, so it cannot be opened from the outside at all right now. So let me show you. There is a little pin in here. In here you pull it in and then it loosens, but yeah, we saw that on a YouTube video. Maybe it has something to do with both, we don't know. Anyway, it is open, and now we can go to the next step, dismantle this whole thing and, well, see how the inside looks like. So yeah, let's go. So on the underside it has little torque screws. We let Mandy do this because it's her car. She really enjoys this, but she is better than she thinks. So let me see if I can. They're right down there. I hope you can see it, I don't know. So yeah. And she's on the floor. Drop it like you mean it hot, something like that. I don't know how to sing. In the next step, we will have this thing completely off. And it's off, you guys. Yeah, so it was pretty easy, but it's with a clicking system, as you can see here. Not difficult, just click it on and it goes off. This is for the window, that just came off really too easy, nevertheless. And you just have to make this loose from the handle so you can still open it. So now what we have to do is a really fun thing. Apparently this metal plate has to come off. So yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Not really a problem, but we're gonna see. Now, which size is it? A 10?
Yeah.
Is it the 10? Yeah. You have to keep the bolts apart. They come pretty easy loose, which tells me that either it was loose already once or it was just poorly made. I already unplugged these and I unplugged this one. Basically we need to make that one loose, that one loose, that one loose, but yeah, in the next part we will have it all good. Alright guys, we have a problem. We have to disconnect the window from this point here so we can pull this thing off, the metal plating, because the window regulator is popped with this and there is no way I'm gonna drill in this car. So it was already broken on this side or out. So what we're gonna do is pull the window entirely up and tape it so it stays up. Then we have to disconnect this wiring because this goes to the lock, and then we can finally pull it all off. So yeah, there is that. Let's tape it on. Alright guys, small issue. We're gonna have to replace the entire locking mechanism, and we have to order that because, as you can see, it's totally open. You can look in it, and as you can see, there is no motor, so we have the wrong part. This is yeah, it was not expensive, but we're gonna send it back and replace the entire mechanism as long as it opens. Anyway, we did learn today how to unscrew it all. We're now gonna place it back as good as possible, and then we at least have the knowledge for the next time. And of course we're gonna make a video of that, but this was quite the fail. And not, because now we know all about this door, and yeah, it is what it is. We can't fix it today. So let's screw it back. So guys, as you can see, everything is back in place. And in the end, it was only just a couple of screws. So it wasn't even that hard. But we have the wrong part. So we will get back to you with the good part, the entire locking mechanism. And until that point, subscribe and like. And we will catch you the next time when we replace it. Because this was not a fail, because we learned a lot of how to make things happen with this door, but unfortunately we didn't have the right part. So yeah, that's something for a different video, you guys, and I hope to see you then. See you later, guys.